it's fine. I'm just waiting on my girlfriend to come out of the bathroom.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
So you have a girlfriend now. That doesn't surprise me.
Oh, thanks. Yeah.
Okay, so how long have you been with her?
Just a couple months. Yeah.
That's it.
Well, you know, like give or take, just a few months. It's a new thing. Whatever. Yeah.
Well, we got some beers on tap if you like. We've got some Stella.
Oh no, that's
Amstelite.
That's fine. I think.
Guinness? Are you a Guinness
I think
guy?
about time to get out of here.
Yeah?
I think it's about time I'm trying.
Well, you know, I'm getting off soon.
Oh yeah.
So, yeah. You want to head out of here with me? Let's hit up a different spot.
Oh yeah.
Something totally different.
I'd love
I hate
to, but
working. Let's get out of here. Come on.
Oh man, you are killing me right now. Yeah, I'd love to, but I mean, you gotta understand. Like I'm waiting on. You know, she comes out of there.
I'm sure she'll miss you.
It's gonna be like a bat out of hell. It's gonna,
well then, let's just leave before she comes.
No. You're a very nice girl. I don't know if I can do that right now. Do you know what I mean?
Why not? Why is that?
Well, because if she pops out of there and sees that I'm gone, she's gonna kill me. I'm dead.
How will she kill you if you're not there?
She'll find me and kill me. Yeah. She will find me and kill me.
Let's do this. Come on, let's get out of here.
Ryan's pretty much going.
Yeah. He's like, all right, I'm done.